A later build, maybe 1,000 horsepower build. Imagine me drifting around in this. I know the price is a little too high, but look at that. That's amazing. Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna be shopping for a drift car. I always wanted one, but I never had the chance to buy one. I'm not gonna buy one right now because my Mustang was still just standing there, and I need to fix that car first. I need to build that car first. But today, I'm gonna go around and see what choices I have when it comes to as a drift car. I don't want it to be too expensive. I don't want it to be too cheap. Something that I can work with and will last me. I was thinking of a couple cars, either a Mustang, like an older Mustang, a GT, manual stick obviously, either a 350Z or a BMW 3 Series. Those are the three cars that I'm either looking at. Please let me know in the comments below which one would you want me to get. But besides that, yeah, let's get into this video. I know a Mustang GT as a drift car will be insane, and most of my friends are obviously muscle car lovers, so I'd rather have that, but I want to keep my choices open. I'm not gonna buy the drift car right now. As I said, I'm gonna buy it once my Mustang gets to the power I want it as. That'll probably be like in a couple months. I want to build my Mustang first, spend money on there first. But imagine a wide body 350Z. That would be insane. Or even a 3 Series BMW drifting hella, doing hella burnouts. That would be hella insane as well. Is that who I think it is? Is it? Yeah, it is. That's right. See, I don't mind getting the Z06. This is nice. Okay, not as a drift car, but as a later build, maybe 1,000 horsepower build. Yeah, we're at CarMax. We're just looking around. Maybe if we can find like a 350Z or something over here, why not pick it up? Yeah, they didn't have anything too expensive. I'll go for something cheaper. I know, right? Yeah, CarMax was whack. Couldn't really find anything. But yeah, now just driving back home. We said road race for like $10. Minus line easy versus this Integra. Wow. I gotta put the hazards on, you already know. Where are you going? What the hell is on? Don't underestimate my Scion PC. Don't underestimate it. Oh, it's so noobs. Oh shit, this is hella fun. Okay, so I just made it to Pick and Pull. Pick and Pull usually has like old cheap ass cars. Maybe they have a nice project rear wheel drive car that's manual. Maybe that's something that can drift around pretty easily. Would be ideal. See, like this Mazda MX-6. It's a manual. MX-6 with the turbo on it. Yeah. And it's pretty clean on the outside too. And a coupe. Imagine this being hella low, slammed to the ground, and a drift car, and it's only 1800. That's hella cheap. See, another manual car, but it's a Toyota Corolla, and it's no rear wheel drive, so can't drift this thing. But yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, if there's a good car that comes out Pick and Pull, and it's hella cheap, could be a perfect project. Okay, so I couldn't really find anything. But one thing is that Pick and Pull has like the best, cheapest cars. Usually like those old cheap cars, but those are actually sometimes really good too, because for my Mustang EcoBoost I can't find parts at like these kind of junkyards, you know. I have to buy either online or either like OEM, or if I have an old car like my 350 or 350Z, parts will be so much more cheaper than my Mustang EcoBoost, you know, because there are more cars made, and there are a lot of those cars out there, you know. But yeah, I don't know how to drift. All I know how to do is do burnouts, do donuts. But yeah, I can't really like drift around the course or anything, which is why I feel like it'll be really fun to learn, and I could like record more content for you guys, especially because there'll be another build. I know buying a drift car that's already set up for drifting is so much more cheaper than building your own car, but building your own drift car is so much more fun, and I'd rather have the experience and have more fun building the way I want it. Yeah, but something like this would be insane. This Mustang on Facebook Marketplace, it's a GT, but yeah, it's manual as well. Like, it's not too bad, you know. Yeah, it's only 6 grand. Or even something like this. This is 5 grand for this 3 Series BMW. I love the wrap, but yeah, it's a manual as well, so this could be perfect. Like, yeah, imagine me drifting around in this. I know the price is a little too high, but look at that. It's a manual. Look how nice it looks too. I don't mind this, you know. Hey, you gotta get your vaccinations and your doctor checkup today, okay? So make sure you behave yourself. Alright, we made it. Did you get your vaccinations? Yeah? Did you get your shot? The doctor said you're healthy. Yeah, so he was healthy, fully vaccinated. I have to bring him back after a month for another checkup. But yeah, for now he's good.